Morning everyone. Okay, be ready with your material till your other friends are joining. Yeah, be ready with your material. So we need two different colored sheets. It can be any color. If you do not have a colored sheet, then you can go for plain white sheets. Yes, we need two different colored sheets if you have. Well and good. If not, then you can go for plain white sheets. Then we need a pair of scissors. Yeah. Along with that, we need our basic stationery, which would include our scale and pencil. Yeah, we do need to get a tape. It can be thick, it can be thin. Yeah, we do need to get a tape. If you do not have tape, then you can go for Fevicol. Yes, but we need both of them. Okay. Also, if you have some ribbon, get the ribbons. Okay. So we need any circular object like this. It can be any cap or any bowl. Yeah, we need some circular object so that we can draw the shape of the circle. So do get a cap like that and keep your all material along with you so that you do not have to get up or there is no interruption during the class. So be ready with your material. Yes, everyone, be ready. I'll show you, let your friends also join. Then I'll show you what are we going to make today. Good morning, everyone. Okay, those who have joined, I'll repeat. We need a circular object like this. It can be cap, it can be a glass, or it can be any circular object which you have. Yes, then we need our stationery, which would include a scale, pencil, scissors, marker, or sketch pen, right? Then we need a sellotape. It can be thick, it can be a thin one. Along with that, we need some Fevicol. Yeah. Then we need some colored sheets. If you do not have, then you can use plain white sheet, but preferably colored sheet if you have. Yeah. So once you'll all be ready, within a minute or two, we'll start our activity. Okay, good morning. Those who have joined right now. So I'm gonna show you what we are going to make today. So we are going to make these cute little bird cage. Yeah. So we're gonna decorate it and this is how it will look like. Yeah. So you can even hang it on uh, in your balconies. Yeah, you can even gift it to someone and you can innovate it. Yeah, you can do anything with it. You can decorate it the way you want. Yes. So let's start. Should we start? Are we all ready? Yeah. Are we all ready with our materials? Okay. So I'll be changing the focus on to my sheet so that you all can draw along with me. Yes, so that you all can draw along with me. So I'll be going step by step. Do follow it so that you all do it in one go. Okay, okay, let's start. Yeah, are you all able to see now? Perfect. So first we'll draw the markings. Yeah, we need to draw some strips. So we'll make the marking of 2 centimeter each from both the sides in order to make our strips. See, first I'll show you. So we have to mark a line like this. So the width of our strip should be of 2 centimeter. Yeah, the width should be 2 centimeter and the length of our strip should be equal to the longest side of our sheet. So we have to draw strips like this and then we'll be cutting it. First we have to draw them all together and then we'll cut it. So I have marked 2 centimeter first like this. So I'll show you. I have marked 2 centimeters like this from both the sides and then I drew a line to make my strip. So similarly I'll make 3 lines of 2 centimeter each. Yeah, I'll make 3 strips, 3 lines of 2 centimeter each. So you can do it along with me. Can you see I have made 3 strips of 2 centimeter each. So after we draw 3 strips of 2 centimeter, we have to draw 1 strip of 3 centimeter. So I've already marked 3 centimeters. I'll be joining them like this. I hope this is visible. Yeah. Okay. What we are making? So we are making a bird cage like this. Yeah. We are going to make a bird cage. Those who have joined for them. So for this, we need to have a colored sheet. It can be of any color. If you do not have a colored sheet, then you can go for plain white sheet as well. Yes. And in the starting, what I have done, I have marked 2 centimeters. Yeah, I have marked 2 centimeters from on both the sides. Then I have to make lines. Yeah, to make my strips. So I have to make 3 strips and the length should be equal to the longer side of our sheet. Yes, we have to make 3 2 centimeter strips and 1 3 centimeter strip like this. So after you draw, also those who have joined, we need to have a circular object like this. You can use uh, a tape width, yeah, or you can use a cap to make the circle. So I have used this cap. So I'll be drawing a circle. So be ready with these shapes. Then we need to cut it. Yeah, so I've made a circle along with that 3 centimeter strips and uh, three different 2 centimeter strips and one strip of 3 centimeter. Now those who have drawn, you can cut them. Be really careful while cutting. So like this, I'll cut. Now can you see? I have my strips with me along with my circle. Yes. So those who are cutting the strip, you can take your time. By that time, we'll draw a bird. So how to make the bird? We'll first make a number 2. We'll make a number 2 like this and then we'll be joining it. So we'll make a number 2 first and then we'll join it. Okay. So we'll cut this as well. So if you have feathers, then you can even paste feathers on your bird. Yes. Or what else you can do with your bird? Yeah, you can decorate your bird with some glitter sheets, or you can make feathers out of sheet for your bird. So think what all innovative things you can do with your bird. So I just found a feather lying in my balcony this morning. So I'll be pasting a feather on my bird. So you can decorate or use any other innovative idea for your bird. So we'll make eyes. We'll enhance her beak. Yeah, like this. So if you are not able to catch up, you can make bird according to your own imagination as well, the way you feel like. So make it on both the sides. Yeah, make it on both the sides. So are we all ready with our things? Our strips, our bird and our circle. So now I really want you all to cut all your pieces all together. Ma'am, repeat the bird please. Okay. So for bird, I have made a number 2 first. Yeah, I'll show you. Something like this. We'll make a number 2, right? And then with long curve or semicircle, we'll be joining the other end of our bird. And then we'll make the beak and eyes. The size of bird can vary. It can be small, it can be little big. How many strips? So we need 3 strips of 2 centimeter each. Yeah, we need strips of 2 centimeter each and 1 strip of 3 centimeter, right? Okay. So now I'll be cutting few sellotape pieces. Yeah, if you do not have, then you can use Fevicol or any glue to paste it. But it's really easy when you do it with sellotape. So I'll be cutting some pieces and keeping it on one side of my table. You can even use this hat, so it becomes really easy when you'll start pasting. See how I'm cutting? I'm cutting little pieces of my tape and I'll stick on one side of my table so that I can take them out when I need to paste it. So once we'll start pasting, it's really very easy and quick. So we need to prepare our material in advance. We need to cut our strips and everything and be ready with it. So yes, now my tapes are ready. Yeah, even you can do it this way. If not, then you can go for um, your Fevicol as well. Is my video still loading? The network is fine. Can others please let me know if the video is still loading so that I can repeat? Okay, let me ask you. Is the video still loading? Yeah, you can write it in your chat box and let me know. Network is fine. Uh, okay. Anima, is it fine now? Yeah. Am I visible to you now? Okay. So by far, what I've done, I have cut my strips of 2 centimeter each and one strip of 3 centimeter. Yes. Along with that, I had my circular. Okay. Thank you for letting me know. Okay. How to make a bird, I'll show you. So first we have to make a number 2 like this. Yes. And then we make a circle to join both the ends and make a bird. How much pieces you need for sellotape? So around 7 pieces if you can. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, around 7 pieces you need to cut and put it. So after that, what I did, I took some sellotape. So I've cut some pieces like this and I've pasted on one side of my table so that once I'll start pasting, it becomes really easy for me. Yeah. So you need to do it. If you do not have a sellotape, then you can use Fevicol. Yes, not an issue. So you always have options. If you don't have one particular thing, don't be upset. We can go for another option. Okay. So now I'll change the focus once more. Yes. So you can make board of your own choice. However, it's easy for you. So I've made a number 2 and then I have made a circle by joining both the ends along with the beak. So now I'll take my 3 centimeter strip. Yes, I'll fold it. So I'll take my 3 centimeter strip. I'll fold it. Yes, like this. And then I'll secure it with my tape. I'll secure the end with my tape like this. Yes. So I have taken my thicker strip first and then I have secured it, folded it and secured it with the sellotape like this. You can even put Fevicol and then paste it. Then what we'll do, we'll take our 3 strips, yes, like this, fold it into half, fold it into half. Do not fold too much, do not put pressure. Then open it, yeah, fold it into half and then open it and place it on your table. Now what we need to do is we need to put the Fevicol or glue at the center where the crease is and we have to join another strip to make a plus sign. We need to join another strip onto the previous strip to make a plus sign like this. make a plus sign and paste it like this. And with the third strip, we have to make a diagonal. Yes. So you have to make a plus sign first. Then you have to paste the third strip diagonally and adjust a bit so that there are equal gaps. So like this you have to paste. So kids, do it along with me, because once it's pasted, it cannot be redone. Yeah. Okay, how many strips we have to make? We have to make 3 strips of 2 centimeter each and 1 strip of 3 centimeter. Yes, do it. So we have to make a plus sign first and then paste a diagonal strip on the top like this. Yes, now we'll take our 3 centimeter folded strip and we'll take one corner of our strips which we have joined. Yes, we have to take one corner and it should not touch the lower end, not above. It should be in the middle. Place your strips in the middle and secure it with a sellotape like this. Secure it with a sellotape like this. Yeah, I can wait for 2 minutes. Uh, you can let me know on which step you are, so I'll repeat it so that others who have completed they can move on. Yes, I'll repeat if you are stuck at any point. So I have secured one strip like this. It should be till the middle of our longer side. Yes, and now I'll take another end of same strip. Yeah, remember first I've pasted one side of my strip, then I'll take another end of my strip and I'll again secure it with the tape. Like this. Which step you want me to repeat? So I'm repeating all the steps, I think, again and again. Yeah, or you can see it visually and you can do it. So by far, I have just pasted one strip. Yes, then I'll take another end of my strip, any strip, and then similarly I'll paste all the sides of my strips. Yes, is everyone able to catch up? Now I'll take another strip and wherever it's falling, yeah, we need to paste it wherever it's falling. Okay. First, I've pasted one side of my strip, then I'll be pasting the other end of my strip. Similarly, I'll repeat it with all the strips I have. If you do not have a sellotape, you can even paste it with the help of Fevicol. So by far, my cage is complete. Yeah. So by far, my cage is complete. I hope your cage is also complete. I'll wait for a minute so that you can take your time and paste all the strips like this. By the time you are pasting it, those who are done, we can decorate our birds. You can even make designs or textures on your bird. You can even color your bird. You can even paste some feathers on your bird. You can even paste some feathers on your bird like I am doing. Or you can make a feather out of paper and then you can place it. Yeah, you can decorate your bird according to your own imagination. I just found the feather. If you do not have a feather, it's fine. If you have it, then you can get it. Yeah, also get your decorative materials like mirrors or your glitter sheets or your stickers or some beads that we need to put on our cage, and we'll decorate our cage so that it looks really beautiful. By the time you are doing it, we'll cut some ribbon like this. It can be of any size, it can be of any color. If you do not have a ribbon, then you can even use some thread. Yeah, if you have ribbon, well and good. If not, then you can use some thread. Now, I'll take some more um, tape. Yeah, the length can be approximately according to my hand. We'll take some piece of sellotape like this. We'll take some piece of sellotape like this. Yeah, you all can observe and then you can repeat it afterwards. If you are doing it with me, well and good. If you are still on cage, then you can just look it for a minute so that you can do it. So I've taken some piece of sellotape like this. So I'll paste my bird on one end of my tape. I'll paste my bird on one end of my tape like this. and with the help of other end, I'll paste it on the top of my cage. So I'll move my hand inside and I'll paste it till the top of my cage. If the sellotape is extra, you can even cut it. So what I did, I have pasted my bird on one end of my tape and the other end is sticked on to the top of my cage like this. So by pasting it like this, my bird can move. Yeah, my bird can move inside if you can see, and my bird is pasted. My bird is going out of the cage. She doesn't want to stay inside. Yeah, so the bird can move inside. Cannot do that. Which one you cannot do that? You can let me know. I'll repeat that particular step if you are not able to do any of the step. Yeah, you can let me know the step which you were not able to do it. I'll repeat it for you. You can write it. If any of the step you are not able to do, I'll repeat it for you. Yes, those who are able to do it, you can continue it and finish it. So there are two more main steps left to complete the cage. Which step you want me to repeat? Do let me know the step as well. So if you want me to let you to explain how the bird was. Yes, Siri, which the bird one? Do let me know which step you want me to repeat. I'll repeat that step for you. I can just read your names. Maybe do let me know the step you want. The bird one? Okay. So what I did, I'll take some piece of my tape like this. Yeah, the length can be approximately according to my hand. Yeah, you have to take it according to your hand. So if your hands are small, it's fine. Yes, take some piece like this, cut it. Yes, so I'll repeat. Just wait. So take some sellotape like this. Yes, put your bird, paste your bird on this one end of sellotape like this. Yes, like this. And then move your hand inside your cage and stick the other end till the top of our cage. So you can take your time in doing it. I know these are not your names, so I am calling out the real name of you. One child has already mentioned her name. So that's why. Okay. If you can rename by your own name as well, then it would be comfortable for me to call out your names. Yeah, is it fine now? We'll stick the other end like this on the top of our cage. Yes, now is it done? So if our bird is done, if our cage is done, so we are left with a last or second last step, which is to paste the base. So paste the base only when you are done with your bird. Yes, otherwise you won't be able to put your hand inside to paste your bird. If your bird is done, then put some Fevicol onto the base like this. Then put some Fevicol on the base like this and stick it on to your circle which you have made and just leave it like that. Let it dry. So once it will get dry, the Fevicol will turn into transparent color and it will look really beautiful and complete. Yes, so let it dry for few minutes. Do not move it. So once the Fevicol will get dry, it will get turn into transparent and then it will look beautiful. My bird is already flying. Yes. So last, after you paste your base, the last step is to hang it. Yeah. The last step would be to hang it. How many tape strips? So you can cut it around 7 to 8 strips of tape, or you can just do it the way you want. While pasting each strip, you can put your sellotape and you can do it according to yourself as well. So now we'll take our ribbon. Yes, we'll take it out from any two strips like this. Yeah, you do not have to be particular from how many strips we have to take out the, it should be in the middle. Yes, it should be in the middle like this. We'll take our ribbon, yes, like this, and then we'll make a knot. If you do not have a ribbon, it's fine. Still your cage is complete. Yes, if you do not have a ribbon, still your cage is complete. You can put it on your table or you can decorate it wherever you want to. If you have ribbon, then you can make a knot and it's ready to hang. Yeah, if it's complete, then you can decorate it more by putting some decorative materials all around your cage, or you can put some real flowers around your larger strip. Yes, you can even paste some leaves. So do come up with different ideas how you can decorate your bird cage. Yes, and a bird cage will be complete. I hope you all liked it. It's looking amazing. Yeah. Do share the picture of your work with your class teacher so that we can upload it so that I can see how it turned out to be. Yeah, you can put two words. Wow, you have also made a feather out of your real. Good, good, good. Okay. So I'll see you next week with something more interesting and crafty. Yeah. So by that time, take care, everyone. Bye.